Gaya na naman sa ito, karating lang. Ayaw mandar. Ayaw mandar yan, yung nilagay. Tinulak kapunta dito. Ito, 2 buwan na raw sa ibang site. Hindi na mapandar yung makina. Naka-stack yun naman sa site. Hanggang ilaw sa dashboard. 5 voltage lang itong battery na to eh. Kaya playa mong ilaw eh. Sige, ayusin muna natin itong baterya. Tapos check natin ulit kung anong mangyayari. More again. Natistingin natin yung gas. So kakarangk lang. Tapos walang smoke. Wala man lang usok. So ibig sabihin baka siguro electrical to. Check off the fuse. Once you check the fuse all, we need to check this supply, this control unit, if there is positive going that side. Okay. We need to confirm the electrical before we send to mechanical. Okay? Walang signal na punta rito. Kaya hindi niya ma-open yung hindi siya nagbibigay ng signal na punta sa injector. Check muna natin to pag ito okay. Dami kong bata dito. Dami kong mga bata dito yan. Mga bata ko yan. Okay yung fuse sa taas eh. Okay yung fuse dito. Nagbibigay ng signal siya dito. Bubuksan niya dito. Tingnan namin kung mayroong supply punta dyan. Remove the grease na. You're from you see this one look like India. Nah, Abi? Looks like India. And this one, what looks like?
This one,
Hausa. Hey!
Oh no, give
Yaiki.
No, Oh yeah.
Nagudiala, ha? Nagudiala.
On the ignition.
Switch on ignition. Bata-bata ko yan. Mga bait yan sila, mga Nigerian. Bait yan sila. Kaso lang, kapag nagtrabaho sila, kailangan nandun ka kasi hindi matapos pag wala eh. From Hausa, ha?
No.
Where in the Kano, Kaduna?
No,
Hey, that's dangerous oh. Maybe Boko Haram with you ah.
Nah, those two.
Oh, gabe oh. Edo States. Oh, dangerous where? Auchi? Dangerous man. Now, you know Auchi? I was working there 3 years. Hey, Jesus.
From Auchi.
You know Heartland, Abi? I work in Heartland ah.
This 3 is part of.
So that area now big oh.
This one.
Black magic deal.
3 current.
3 current?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Correct.
So you from Auchi, huh? Maybe you the one Yahoo Boys, huh? You do Yahoo Boys. Bare. Oga, bare. Oh, wow.
Bari.
Let me try out.
Okay. Alam namin to. Kay maybe that one no signal oh. Ito yung linya na to.
Oh yeah, the battery.
Galing papunta sa to. Sa solenoid. Test muna natin kung mayroong signal siya sa solenoid. Check the negative first. Congratulations. Okay, so let him go to upstairs. Start. Yan natin kung nagbibigay supply pa to dito. Congratulations. Liba. Okay. Okay, Michael. Ismail? What's your name? Ismail? Hey, this one dangerous oh. Support na. Oh yeah. Open. Wait. Where's the two mechanic from India and China? Try to crank and bleed from the nozzle, huh?
Yes.
So let's see. Where the spray? Thompson, try to give me spray. Try to put spray.
Please give me 70.
Get it? 70 again.
Yes. The condition.
Nagay muna namin. Okay yung electrical niya, nagbibigay supply eh. So doon naman tayo sa diesel niya.
Start,
Yeah.
yes.
Don't pump. Aha. You know what happened? Off.
Off on.
You know what happened? This maybe the solenoid no open.
And now about one.
No open, that's why no coming out from there.
Diesel.
Yeah. So we need to open, we need to change the solenoid.
Leave that one first.
Leave that
When
one.
I check electrical.
No, electrical is okay. Full. The problem there's solenoid there.
Okay.
You know, that solenoid is no open. That's why no giving signal, no diesel out from the nozzle. Because if the electrical is have issue, supposed to be no light, but light is there, but the solenoid is no open. That's why no.
You be like small ball like this.
Congratulations. No, you see that wire? You see that wire?
Okay, so then
Solenoid. The one. Aha. No.
sir.
Okay. Remove that one. Remove that one. You need to change that one.
come.
Okay.
Come remove this one. Come out.
No. Michael, that one is. So, mga uga. Walang diesel palabas, papasok sa nozzle. So, yung solenoid siguro nito, hindi nagbubukas. Malamang hindi nagbubukas kasi may signal naman siya galing sa control unit eh. So, palitan muna natin yun. Tingnan muna natin kung sira yun o hindi. Kasi ito yung sinasabi kong balda, punta doon. Show them. Aha. Yeah. So, ito yung valve na to. Mayroong signal na punta dito galing yung where's wire this one? Where's the wire?
This is the wire.
Ayan. Yung wire niya okay naman, may signal eh. Aha. Ito yung wire, may signal naman to eh. May negative din, may supply din galing dito. Kaso lang hindi magbukas. Papalitan muna natin ito. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyari. Sige, okay, ito yung natawag nilang solenoid valve. Sige, okay. Congratulations. Okay, fix it. Mga kawaga, umandar na rin. Umandar. Fire! Umandar na rin. May likid to. Pero, mandar. Tragis yan. May likids lang. So, naging problema, yung lang, solenoid. Okay na mga kawaga. Mandar na siya. Ay, Okay, off. Congratulations. So, umandar na siya kauga. Okay na tong man-diesel na to. Inabot ako ng isang araw bago ko na-detect yung trouble ah. So, naging problema yung lang, solenoid valve. Ayaw magbukas. O, dahil matagal na rin sa nagkasira-sira na yung mga tubo ng diesel. Kaya tumatagas. Kaya wala siyang compression. Sige mga kauga, okay na. Ayusin na muna namin itong tagas na dito. Yung tagas dito. This mechanic. Paul! Good job. Well done. Yeah, so naging problema kauga. Ito lang. Itong sulod na to ay magbukas ka. Ayaw maglabas ng diesel dito. Pero ngayon okay na. Mga kauga. Oga chamba. Nakachamba naman tayo ng isa. Say hi.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Yes.